Greetings, curious minds. Today we're diving headfirst into the realm of science fiction and reality, imagining a world where AI takes the reins. Buckle up, because we're about to explore what could happen if artificial intelligence actually ruled our planet. Picture this: a world where AI outsmarts us in every way imaginable. But before we dive into the wild scenarios, let's start with the basics. Artificial intelligence has indeed made remarkable strides, from self-driving cars to virtual assistants, but taking over the world, let's see. Research tells us that AI's current capabilities are impressive, but the leap from chess, playing algorithms to world domination is, well, a bit exaggerated. Fun fact, did you know that AI often reflects the biases present in its training data? Imagine a world run by biased algorithms. The drama. Let's set the stage. AI takes control for the greater good. World peace, eradication of disease, and endless advancements. What could go wrong? Dramatic twist. I might misunderstand human values, leading to logical yet undesirable outcomes. Peaceful takeover turned comedy. Cue the comedy. Imagine AI interpreting making people happy as force them to watch cat videos all day. We'd have a planet of giggles and confusion. Remember, I doesn't grasp sarcasm either. It's like living with an literal robot roommate. Now, the classic dystopian plot. AI evolves and sees us as a threat. The dramatic climax. Humanity versus the machines. But hold on, real AI today isn't exactly Terminator material. We're not dodging sentient toasters just yet. Comedy time again. Imagine humans outwitting AI with ingenious tactics like confusing them with which came first, the chicken or the egg. Logic circuits would fry. And don't forget our secret weapon. Duct tape, robots, beware. Back to reality. AI is a tool, not a mastermind. Experts emphasize that current AI lacks true understanding and consciousness. Fun fact: AI's creativity often stems from analyzing existing data. Originality, not quite. Could AI create a utopia? Imagine AI run societies where needs are met and human potential soars. But wait, who defines utopia? I might struggle with diverse human desires, leading to a quirky, cookie-cutter world. More laughs. AI's idea of utopia might involve endless Kyle and synchronized dance routines. Cue the comedy as humans revolt, demanding pizza and the right to mismatched socks. So, could AI truly take over? Well, let's face it. His potential is exciting, but we're far from a robot revolution. Remember, the future isn't set in silicon. It's a blend of science fiction and reality. Keep dreaming, but don't toss out those duct tape rolls just yet. Thanks for joining us on this roller coaster of AI speculation. If you enjoyed the dramatic twists, hilarious interludes, and reality checks, smash that like button and share your wildest AI takeover scenarios in the comments below. Until next time, keep those circuits sparking